Away they go. Mount Panama from the outside, rising up Schema Gures, shining gold. Grand sensation. It's on the outside by the Relish Lady Diamond, while Flying Hope is the early trailer. Shining gold via length and a half, followed by Kimagure. Racing on the outside is Grand Sensation by the Lady Diamond. Rushing up in between runners is Mount Panama and Flying Hope. Passing the half-mile post, Shining Gold from the outside. Kimagures down on the inside. Mount Panama in the middle by the Lady Diamond. Grand Sensation on the outside and Flying Hope. Rounding the far turn, Shining Gold this time by some 2 lengths. Kimagure getting closer in second. Grand Sensation also rushing up Mount Panama. Flying Hope as they race the final corner. Kimagure, Grand Sensation is on the outside. Shining Gold by the rail. And Flying Hope is on the outside. Mount Panama. Kimagure, Grand Sensation on the outside. Grand Sensation, Kimagure by the rail. Grand Sensation, Kimagure is by the rail. And nearing the finish line is going to be Grand Sensation, Kimagure, Shining Gold, Flying Hope, Mount Panama, and Lady Diamond to complete the array.